In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a PDF worksheet that you already have that you may have gotten from a book supplier or you had already created and turn it into a fillable form that can be emailed to you. So the first thing I'm going to do is open my Adobe Acrobat DC. This first step you'll only have to do the first time that you do this, but you want to add, you're going to click on Tools, and you want to add the Prepare tool. Prepare form right here. So I'm going to click this down arrow. I'm going to click add shortcut. And this is going to come over here into my toolbar. That's going to be way at the bottom, but I'm going to drag mine right up here so it's easier for me to find. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open the document that I want to use. So this is the worksheet that I already have that was created by superteacherworksheets.com. And what I'm going to do is click that Prepare Form button that I just added to my toolbar. It's going to pop up, and I'm going to leave it as single file, and I'm going to click Start. And you'll see it goes through, and it grabs everything it thinks is supposed to be an answer. And I look, and all of my boxes have fields on them now. It really doesn't matter what they say inside them. I have this extra field here that I don't need though. So I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to right click and choose delete. So now that all my fields look to be correct, the next thing I'm going to do is add two buttons. I'm going to add a reset button, which will clear all the answers. And I'm going to add a submit button, which will make it email you. So then this form can be uploaded to any of your possible learning management systems. We're personally using WordPress. My school is using WordPress. But you may have Schoology, you may have Google Classroom, you may be using any number of learning management systems. So the next step is I am going to scroll to the bottom of the page because that's where I want to put my buttons. So I'm going to click OK, and I am going to I'm going to click OK. I'm going to move my cursor down here. This is where I'm going to put my submit button. This little window pops up. I'm going to click all properties. For name, I'm going to type submit. For tooltip, I'm going to type submit. Then I'm going to go to options, and where it says label, I am also going to type submit. I'm going to go to actions, and where it says select action, the very bottom one is submit a form. So I'm going to click submit a form and hit add. Now it's asking me to enter a URL for this link, and what I'm going to type here is mailto : mailto : no spaces. And without putting a space, I'm also going to type my email address, wdomiano@sssbv.org. I'm going to go down here to where it says PDF, the complete document. I'm going to check that. And then I'm going to hit OK. The last thing I'm going to do on this button, I'm going to click on appearance, and I'm going to change the way the button looks. I'm going to make the outline black, the border color. I'm going to leave it as thin. The fill color I'm going to change to red because I want it to stand out. The text color I'm going to change to white because white looks better on the red background. I'm going to hit close. And now I'm going to set up my reset button, which will clear all the answers. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to come put it down here in approximately the same area that I did the submit button. I'm going to click all properties. I'm going to go to the general tab, and I am going to put reset for the name, reset for the tooltip. Under options, I'm going to make the label say reset. Under actions, I'm going to click this pull down menu again, and I am looking for reset a form. I'm going to click add, and I'm just going to make sure that all of these have checkboxes beside them. Those are all the different fields that were prepared when we click the prepare button. I'm going to click OK. Again, I'm going to go into Appearance, and I'm going to change my button. I'm going to put a black border around it. I am going to change the color of this one to blue for the fill color. I'm also going to change the text to white because white will appear better on the blue background. I'm going to hit Close. Now, what I'm going to do next is test it to make sure that it's actually working. So I'm going to click on Preview, and I'll scroll up, and I'm going to type my name in here. I'll do one of the fact families, 10 times or 7 times 4 equals 28. I'm not going to fill out the whole form to test it. I'll scroll down. I'm going to hit Submit. It's going to pop up and ask me how I want to send my email. I'm going to leave it on, this is what students will do. I'm going to leave it on default email application, which is Microsoft Word. I'm going to hit Continue. It's going to pop up. You'll see it has 2 in my email address. It has attached the file. I'm going to hit Send. Now I'll go check my email. Here is my email coming back to me. Here's a PDF. I'm going to go ahead and open it. It's taking a moment. It's not cooperating. How about we preview it? Oh, wait, there it is. You see it has my name. It has the answers that I provided. That is how you create a fillable form that can be emailed. So this will make it easier for you to get answers from your students without having to have them print, write it out, take a picture of it, and email it to you. Once again, if you have any suggestions for videos or any questions for me, you can email me at wdomiano@sssbb.org. Oh, one more thing. Don't forget to save the file because I didn't do that yet. So I'm going to do File, Save As, and I am going to save it in this folder, but you can choose wherever you want to save it. I'm going to save over top. So now I have this form, although I probably have it with answers in it. So I'm going to click that reset button real quick. And you'll notice everything is now blank again. I'm going to close the editor. I'm going to resave it just to be sure. I'm going to save over top of it, tell it yes. And that, again, is how you create a worksheet that can be emailed to you. I will be creating another video that shows you how to take a Microsoft Word document, save it as a PDF, and create a fillable PDF that can be emailed. I will also be showing those people from St. Sebastian how to take those PDF files and upload them to our Homework Central site. I'll see you next time.